Hi, this is the second video showing the capabilities of the group behavior tool with some more useful or more playful shapes. And I wanted also to show options that were not discussed yet. And so let's draw some shapes that could be useful. I mean, most of them are certainly frames with titles and other contents that needs to be modified. One typical shape that really often is needed is a page with a folded corner. Let's say this is a shape, and I want here this corner to be folded inside. So let's just draw it. How would this look? That would be a triangle. How to draw it? Leave your mouse over the shape for some seconds. You'll see the extra points displayed. Click on one side to select the point in the corner, and then just delete. You get your triangle. And we can do, of course, we need a white area behind, and this white area would have a white border. We'll put it on the background, group the whole thing, reduce the size, and then push this small shape on the left top corner of the page, of the shapes which symbolizes the page. Now make a group of the whole thing. Set this group as parent. It has two subshapes, 34, 37. I guess 37 is, of course, the corner, and because it has a higher ID, it was made later. And what you want to do with it is have its size fixed in x and y. X and y, we want its position to be in y offset max and in x offset min. Apply and observe. Alright, this worked, but sheet 34 got modified as well. That's not what we want. We want its size to be proportional in x and y, and its position also to be proportional in x and y. Let's see what it says. Fine. Exactly what you wanted. Perfect. Yeah, that easy it is. The next example, let's watch what I prepared. This one I liked it. So what is it? It's a frame with a border of constant thickness. So let's draw two boxes. Of which I would remove the filling just to make it easier for me to manipulate them. And let's say, yeah, no filling, that's fine. Let's make a group. Group. Yeah, and set it as parent. So it has two subshapes, the 39, which is the outer one, and this the 40, which is the inner one. Yeah, so 40. That's the one we want to modify. What do you want to do with it? Watch how it behaves without modification. You see that in x direction it is proportional to the size of the parent, not what we want, and it's the same in y direction, also not desirable. So I set up a formula to have the size always as offset uh, as a constant offset of width and height of the parent shape, to be set independently, so x and y to be done separately. So let's try it. Offset mid, apply to subshapes, y, apply to subshapes. Let's see if it worked. Ha! How beautiful, how easy, how easy. Otherwise, I would have had to go into the shapesheet of the inner square and modify these formulas to behave this way. It means to have the width and the height both functions of the width and the height of the parent, but with the constant offset, which is shown here as 0.3937 inches. Yeah, pin X and pin Y being fixed and put on the left bottom corner of the subshape. And well, that being the second shape demonstrated in this second video.